Usually, when people talk about creating multiple income streams, it sounds like months of hard work. You need a strategy, different tools, and a lot of time to figure it all out. Wi-Fi Cash Bot takes that idea and makes it incredibly simple. You tap once, and suddenly you're running 5 income streams at the same time. It works because everything is preloaded. The system already has affiliate offers, landing pages, and even email follow-ups ready to go. You don't need to create or connect anything. Once active, the AI traffic engine does the heavy lifting, bringing visitors directly to your offers without you needing to pay for ads or hustle on social platforms. This approach means you're not just testing one campaign, you're activating several at once, giving yourself more opportunities to earn. And since it's all run from a single dashboard, you can track everything right from your phone. If you're ready to simplify multiple income streams into one easy system, check the link in my description and sign up for Wi-Fi Cash Bot today.